you're having pain at what area in your back?
My right here and right here.
Okay, so let's do some testing and let's see what's strong and what's weak. Okay, so hold here and then pull up. Bring your leg up and turn it in. Press out. And hold and press up and out. Bring your leg up and turn in and press up and out. Wow. Okay, so I want you to take your fingers and I want you to touch right here, particularly on that spot. And bring this leg back up and hold and pull for me. And push. Much better on that. And then pull. And then push up and out. So basically what that shows is it's coming from your neck. So I'm going to adjust your neck. And then put your hand down here. Go ahead and open your jaw. And then hold and let's see how that feels.